Hi, this is how you install a Fanatec CSL pedal inverted. Means it goes this way, and you can drive like a real car. First, this is the normal pedal setup. Brake on the left, accelerator on the right. Now we need to change it. So accelerator on this way and brake is in the middle. So we remove all the screws. Also, this is one thing. Make sure the cord is disconnected. I forgot. I may damage the cord. So yeah, take it out. That's right. Oh, by the way, this is our product. Simpodium's SP4080 series. It's a aluminum profile, right? Using all 4080 aluminum profiles. Okay, we got it. Place the gas pedal here. And because there are two screws down here, and it aligns with the biggest hole here, this line and this line. So we need to place it here and make sure the accelerator and brake pedal aligns with it, and also can be screwed, installed there. Up there, there is another hole here. You have to attach it to the frame. I think this way it's good. And up there, hold it. Let's go. So it's on the. You guys can see. Okay, now the brake pedal. The thing is, we can see there's no hole here, so this doesn't matter. But we have to make sure this cord stays out, and we find a position for it in the brake pedal. Is it too close? I think so. I think that's good. now flip it and connect the cord. It says brake here. So go in there, touch it, go through this, go inside, and go here, connect it to brake. That looks good. Okay. And there's another cord you need to pre-install, which one is to this, one is to this accelerator. Right? Both side is okay, so sorry. Oh, yeah. I think this one. Okay, yeah. Then you want to. I don't know if go left and right. Let me see. Left or right. I think go to the right. That way I can better hide the port. Oh, good, good. So this looks good. Then take it away. Then put it down. This comes with the Fanatec paddle. So we flip it up, and place one here. Oh, no, the cord doesn't fit. So yeah, it goes this way. Okay. And this is the screw. Okay. It's hard to do it one person, so it's better to have someone do it with you. So I'm only as myself, so I'm gonna try. Okay. Now, go home. Yeah, don't do it yourself. Have someone to help you. Okay. It's actually attached. So on the other side, find this. This is called spacer. Here. And find the screw. I think you have to get the screw yourself. I regret I didn't get the black one, get the gray one. And then tighten it up a little bit, not too much. Oh. Yeah, go all the way down here. We have one more screw too. Which is this accelerator kind of one. Let's do it this way. So okay, make sure it's positioned as right. Okay. Now, tighten it up. Tighten it up. And this one. tighten it up. Now, this is securely attached. Move. Now we install the paddle plate. One screw here, one screw here. Then the nut. Okay. Make sure everything is tightened. First, those frames. Yeah, you can see it's not. This was not. This one. This one is not. Action. Make sure to tighten everything. Okay. Then loose it a little bit, push it all the way down, and tighten it up. So in that way, this will move. Okay. Tighten it up. This way. Push all the way down. Tighten. Make sure you always tighten every screw before using it. Otherwise you might hurt yourself. Okay, it's secure. Let's see. Now, setting aside, you have your reverse pedal. Oh, this brake should be a little bit more here, so I'm going to adjust it later. But you can do GT3 like this. GT3, the brake pedal, I think it's here. It's more comfortable. Good, it's good. Feels good, and it doesn't touch the ground. See, it doesn't touch the ground. It's better to get a carpet. Well, we will sell the carpet later as well. It's better to get a carpet, and yeah, good to go. It's like driving a real car.